Hey guys, so in just a minute, Robin's going to come in and show you how to purchase BNB. You need BNB so you can do transactions. Now, these transactions, kind of like when you use Ethereum, there's these gas prices, right? When you do transactions with smart contracts or you're sending tokens or coin from one place to another, BNB is another type of token that can be in place of Ethereum if you're using the Binance Smart Chain in order to do these transactions, and it's much less expensive, at least right now. You know, gas prices with Ethereum is very expensive. BNB, not so much. You won't be surprised to see things for just cents, like 13 cents a transaction that might have costed $200 using the Ethereum network. So purchasing BNB is very advantageous to interact with smart contracts and all kinds of things, opportunities that require BNB. So you're going to want to purchase some BNB. Robin's going to show you how to do that. It is not easy to show you how to do this because it depends where you live in the world. So she's covering all the bases. Okay, so listen carefully and rewind when she's talking so that you can catch when she's speaking to you, because there's different videos depending on where you're at in the world and what's going on in your neck of the woods. For example, crypto.com is a place you can purchase BNB if you live in certain states in the United States. So if you're familiar with crypto.com, or if you go there and it lets you purchase BNB, then that might be the place that you do it. Others of you in the US have Binance.us. That's different than if you're outside the US and you have Binance.com. So listen carefully to what Robin shares. She covered all the bases and she has a solution for you and to walk you through purchasing BNB. Here she is.
Okay, welcome to step 2. This is where we get BNB on an exchange if you do not already have BNB. If you do, you can move on to the next step. If you have BNB from Binance.us or Crypto.com or another exchange, you can go to step 2B and then step 2C. If you have BNB inside of Binance.com, or that's where you're going to get it, Binance.com, using a VPN in the US or outside of the United States, like Canada or some other location not in the United States. If you're using Binance.com, skip over to step 3 now. Otherwise, if you want to follow along, that might be good to know what we're doing here so that you can help your team members in the future. Know what we're all doing here. So some of you are using a VPN or you're outside of the United States using Binance.com. So you can go to step 3, okay? Otherwise, if you need to get BNB from Binance.us or Crypto.com or another exchange, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get BNB, Binance Coin, right now in this step. If you already have Binance Coin, BNB, you can skip over to step 2B so that I can show you how to send your BNB using a Binance Chain Wallet extension. So we're going to do that in step 2B. Right now, though, I'm just going to very quickly walk you through getting BNB on an exchange. So for some of you, you're able to go to crypto.com and you can buy BNB here. You need to set up your account here and it allows you to do that. So there's a, it's telling you to get it on the App Store. So you're going to need to understand how to send it from the app, from your phone, from your mobile device. So that would be on crypto.com. For others of you, Binance.us, what you're going to do is you're going to purchase BNB and you can buy cryptocurrency with any kind of payment method. You can see here, you can add a US dollar, you can purchase through a bank card, bank account, wire transfer, you can buy it in different forms in Binance.us. So this is a really good way to buy your BNB. So what you're going to do is if you do not have BNB, Binance Coin, you're going to want to do that now, Binance.us or Binance.com or Crypto.com or an exchange that you know is going to get you BNB. If you need help, please reach out to the person who referred you here to our team, to this process, and they can help you, or ask in our group on Facebook if you need more assistance. However, this is where I'm going to lead you to get purchased by your BNB Binance coin. And then when you are done, you're going to meet me in the next step. And I will see you there because we are going to move along and send our BNB. So once BNB hits your account, once you have BNB, once you have access to BNB, meet me over in the next step.